Today we're looking at a 2013 Sprinter van. It's a van conversion. It is absolutely beautiful. You really need to take a look. I also learned how to freeze frame, and I've used it a few times during this video. I don't know if it's too much, it might be a little bit overkill, but it is something that I just learned. So as my learning experience continues with Final Cut Pro 10, here we go. This 2013 Sprinter 2500 has been upgraded for the traveler that covets all of the conveniences of home, but is willing to keep their footprint as small as possible to have the ability to leverage experiences over conveniences. Dual skylights brighten the interior and show off the Mediterranean design, which includes lighter colors, bronze fixtures, and an arched doorway. The kitchen includes a 2-burner induction stove, plenty of storage space, a pull-out refrigerator, and a sink. There is a hot water heater included with a 45-gallon freshwater tank, so showering off under the rain shower head will rejuvenate you after whatever life brings your way. The day couch converts nicely into a sleeping area, and a lagoon tabletop adds to the area as a workstation, dining table, or a nightstand. This van is powered by 600 amp hours of lithium batteries, 400 watts of solar panels, and a 3000 watt multi-plus Victron inverter. Also included is a diesel heater, a Max Air 10-speed fan, a backup camera, a new stereo with Apple CarPlay, passenger swivel seats with desk setup, and much more. I can help you with buying or selling an RV. Please contact me. I'd be more than happy to help. Also, if you like this van, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.